Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this gorgeous look. It is super simple. It's my wash and go routine for my new short hair. As you can tell, I cut all my hair off and I'm super excited about it, and I can't wait to show you guys my wash and go. It's super simple and easy, especially for beginners that do not know how to do short hair stuff. I know I didn't. I was freaking out because I have curly hair. It sticks straight up to the sky and it does not do what I want it to. But I have the perfect routine for you guys, and I hope that you really enjoy it. I hope you really enjoy this hair, and I can't wait to catch up with you guys. Let me know down below any video ideas you guys have for me, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Today I am going to be filming a really exciting video for you guys. I did something really ballsy and really spontaneous, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you might already know what I did, but if you don't, make sure that you do. It's at Hailey Gamba. But anyway, I did something really spontaneous and really kind of last minute, and it was that I cut my hair. So I'm going to show it to you guys. Wow, I can't even believe I did it. So I cut my hair completely off, and I wanted to kind of start over again, really just have my hair grow in a lot healthier. So today I'm going to be kind of showing you how I style my new short hair. Right now I washed my hair over like 2 hours ago, so it's really dry and poofy, but we're gonna tame it and make it look really nice, and you're gonna see exactly my hair routine. Thank you so much for 6,000 subscribers. I feel so blessed to have all of you guys a part of me and my channel, and yeah, let's just get started into the video. I'm literally sitting on my bedroom floor because I wanted to just make this like super easy and whatever. So I'm sitting here looking at you guys, and I have my mirror right next to me. So if you see me look over to my right, it's because that's where my mirror is. So I'll just show you the products I have first. I'm just using some water to get these curls back to life because they're very dry from the fact that I washed my hair 2 hours ago. I'm going to be using just this styling foam. This is from Inner Cellular. It's hair polishing styling foam. So you can kind of use any wrapping lotion or foam that you want to use to style your hair. I have the Curls brand. This is the Lavish Curl Moisturizer, Second Curl Refresher Daily Leave-In. So this is just to kind of moisturize my curls and make them not as dry and damaged, even though my hair is pretty healthy now that it's new. And then I have a big tub of Eco Styler gel. This is my favorite one. This is the olive oil Eco Styler gel. I got the big one this time. I used to have the tinier one, but this one is my favorite. It does my edges wonders and my hair, and it really slicks it down without making it super crunchy. All right, so let's just get started. So I'm going to be just spraying some water in my hair. This is just going to bring these back to life. If you guys are wondering what lashes I'm wearing, it's the Queen Bees by Coco Lashes. I think they're like my new favorite now. Okay, so now we got our hair sort of wet. I'm going to take the Curls spray and just spray that into my hair. And like I said, this is a leave-in conditioner, so you're supposed to leave it in your hair, and it just kind of refreshes your curls and just makes them a lot silkier. I'm like literally sitting on my floor, just like filming. Okay. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my comb, and I'm going to create a part. And this is just going to be the part that I'm going to keep my hair on the side. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. I don't really care, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna take some of my styling foam, and I'm going to put this And you can use as much as you want. I like to use a lot just because It kind of helps tame my hair a little bit. So as you can see, it just kind of brings my curls up and out to life. And then this side of my hair is like super poofy. I'm sorry if I'm not like completely in frame. I'm gonna try to back up. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. I can. Okay. This side of my hair is a lot more poofy and crazy, so that's gonna need extra TLC. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. So I'm gonna kind of tell you guys why I decided to cut my hair. So my hair before was blonde. I don't know if you guys remember. I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen. And I decided to cut it all off because I feel like it's becoming like a big thing now to have short hair, and a lot more women are more comfortable being short-haired queens. I could just be like late to the party. I mean, I don't know. I just never thought in a million years I'd cut my hair. I used to have a very large emotional attachment to my hair, where now I really don't, because I wear wigs all the time, and I'm sure you guys are like, I don't even remember what your hair looks like. And it's probably because you guys only remember me with wigs. And yeah, so I kind of decided to just say, screw it, I'm gonna cut it all off, and I'm gonna start over and just grow my hair and curls out. And if you guys are struggling to kind of figure out if you want to do the same thing, I would definitely suggest to do it. It was definitely the best decision I've ever made, just because it's just like starting over, and it's a very like new sexy look, and I love it. So after doing the wrapping lotion, you can technically wear a scarf, but I'm gonna do a scarf at the end just because that's what I prefer. So I'm going to put in a lot of Eco Styler gel. So I'm gonna scoop it out with like my brush, and I'm just going to put it like this throughout my hair, just like this, and just sleek it down. And this is just how I like to do it, because I like it sleek, and then at the bottom I like to be curled out. I'm sorry if my shirt keeps like coming up. Okay, so we're gonna work with this side first. So I'm gonna do my edges on this side. So I go in with the toothbrush with the same Eco Styler gel, and I just kind of create pretty little waves. And you just kind of play with it until you like it. I'm not really picky or particular about my edges. I just want them to look kind of uniform so that I don't look like I didn't do my hair. I'm going to take some more of the wrapping lotion just to make sure that it's going to be behaving. I'm just going to kind of finger it through the front. And then I'm going to go back in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to take a lot this time. And I'm just gonna take it in increments like this, and just kind of bring it back like that. And then I'm going to just brush it. Now that you get it down smooth to the way you like it, you're just going to go back and just do your edges again. And this hair routine is really for my girls who cut their hair and have no idea how to even style their hair yet. That's kind of where I'm at right now, where like I'm still in the process of figuring out like what looks best and all that, and just making sure that everything looks uniform and presentable and that I don't look crazy. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap it with a scarf. I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna get a scarf. Okay, so before I put the scarf on, I'm gonna kind of show you what it looks like. Let me back up. And it's just really just a cute little look, like a wash and go, I guess you can call it, because I didn't really do any crazy styling, but it's just like a wash and go look for people with short hair. And I like to keep down here like cute and out, but when I put the scarf on, you'll kind of see. And this will kind of mold it. You want to do it really tight. And honestly, I like wearing the scarf like this around my head to go out and stuff like that. I think it looks super cute. Give this video a thumbs up if you are ballsy enough to cut your hair off and start over. It was really easy, honestly. Like, I did not have any emotional attachments to my hair at all, and it feels so good to have all that dead hair off and just to be walking around with like nice clean hair and stuff. So this is what the hair looks like with the scarf on. So I'm just gonna slide it off, and this is what it looks like. Just cute and curly. And yeah, I hope you guys love it. I love it so much. I think it looks so good. Shout out to Anita at Chip Salon in Freehold, New Jersey. If you guys are in the New Jersey area, make sure that you check her out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for my next video.